It's not like I think about it. No, I wouldn't say showing up to work, I think, oh gosh, am I going to have a thermal runaway? I think honestly more about, is there going to be something wrong with the plane because of the news, right? Like that's more prevalent in the news than thermal runaways, but I think thermal runaways are more likely.
I would not know how to spot a lithium battery. I don't know what kind of products other than computers have lithium batteries. I don't think the public is really educated enough. Maybe there needs to be something at the ticket counter, a warning sign that says, please read if you have a laptop computer. Because if you just put something, do you have lithium batteries? No one's really going to pay attention because they're not going to think that they do.
It comes down to that ownership, the individual bringing the device on board, because it's their responsibility to, claim ownership over that item. But I also think if it's a defective item and the person has flown before with the item and there's been no issue, then it's kind of like, well, how would I have known this was going to happen? So if they're not taking an active role or an active stance on educating themselves on thermal runaways, how would they know the signs to look for in their device?